namin sa Falls Paso.
Yes.
So, doon kami naging magkaibigan. And dito, parang ibang Sian Lim yung mapapanood ko. Kaya excited ako. At kahapon, habang nasa taping naman kami ng Pulang Araw ni Sanya Lopez, medyo may mga pahapyaw sa akin si Sanya about sa story dito na sabi ko, hindi, ayoko, gusto ko magulat.
Kailangan ma-excite ka.
Oo, ayoko. Siyempre, una niyo siyang mapapanood sa Netflix. Na sobrang lahat kami excited at proud sa project na to. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina kay Sir Nelson Canlas na dati kasi, bakit ako proud? Kasi lahat kami nakakarir dito.
Yes.
Walang nagbibiro sa set. And
guys, punta pa natin Ms. Rochelle Pangili.
I'll be here. I'll represent you. Delikado po.
May mga kasama na po natin.
Basta alam ko, baka ako yung papatayin dito sa Pilipinas. May iba. Playtime daw eh, diba? Pero of course, syempre, diba, of course, busy siya sa pagiging hands-on mom. Pero ngayon, nagbabalik na sa pelikula. How do you feel about it? I feel happy. I get to spend time now with my son. So ako naman yung sumasalong ngayon. So ito lang yung pagkakataon namin na at least sabay kami na nandito. So, but I love being a dad. She loves being a mom. Yeah, I'm just happy that she's continuing on.
I'll be seeing her on the big screen.
Yeah, I miss being the spectator, the fan. So I'm just really excited to see her in general and just to see her on screen again. I missed the last premiere for the last movie. So I don't know no problem. Go back. Thank you. That's so hard. Describe the movie in one word. I want to continue that, but I can't.
Shiznits.
Yes.
Ano reaction mo after seeing all that?
I'm super proud of all of them. They did really well. Ilang beses kung gustong patayin si Lucas sa buong pelikula. At yun, it was really suspenseful. Hindi ko ini-expect that it was going to be like that. So it was a lot of gulat factor. Galing din talaga ni Director. Galing. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations everyone.
Dito ka na rin, dito ka na kay Katja, wala naman si Katja. Wala yung sister-in-law, daughter-in-law, niece-in-law.
Si Marcy. Si Marcy din direct.
Wala.
Hello, Ana.
Ano, pincho?
Dapat may special citation ka sa ating dalawa.
Sayaw ka naman, Rochelle. Isang sex bomb pa na naman dyan. Ayan. Thank you. Carmen.
Kaya nung nagbila sa may station.
Sorry.
Ay, sumisa na lang sa'yo.
Seryoso ka? Bawal yun kaya.
We're gonna ask for the cast and the director na pumunta lang po sa stage area ulit for a quick photo op. Grabe, oh. Look at these.
Bye, Ruru.
Bye-bye po.
Message lang.
Bye.
hindi ko na kayo tatawagin. Lahat ng staff, Tara, Direk Gary, where are you? Adonis, andito ka ba? Uy.
Because they didn't expect what they saw. Masabi nila sa sila. Pero kung may isang kay Lucas ko,
Direk Gary, come here. Dito kayo. Broad staff, asa na?